Abdul here. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how to remove or demote the additional domain controller from our forest. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Let's start with. So here we have two domain controller. This is my DC one, DC W2012-01. This is my domain controller, and this is my second domain controller, which is an additional domain controller. So you can see the IP address, and this is 5, and here I have given 10. So open the Active Directory users and computers. So in the domain controllers you can able to see DC two domain controllers, which is a domain which is a global catalog as well. So let's today I'm going to demote or decommission the second servers. So for this we need to remove the features. Active Directory sites, Active Directory services we need to remove. So go to tools, sorry, go to manage, remove roles and features. So you will be getting an wizard. Just give next. So from server pool you can select, this is the DC2 which we are going to demote. So select this one. So Active Directory domain and services which we need to demote. So you need to remove the entire management tools as well. Just remove features. So we'll get an validation result. What it says, the validation process found problems on the server which you want to remove features. The selected features cannot be removed from the selected server. Click OK to select the different features. So Active Directory domain controller needs to be demoted before the ADDS role can be removed. So I said we need to demote before removing the Active Directory uh, uh, Active Directory services, Active Directory domain services. Before we remove the Active Directory domain services, we need to demote this domain controller. Just click on this, demote this domain controller. So you will be getting a wizard, Active Directory domain services configuration wizard. So here you can see the global credential which has been given, admin credential. So for this removal of this domain controller, unless this is the last domain controller in the domain, you must perform metadata cleanup manually after the removal. So this gives the option to, once we remove this server from the domain controller, so the cleanup on the metadata, the, the cleanup for the metadata can be done manually on the DC1. So just give next. So this domain controller currently hosts the roles. So this is a DNS server as well as a global catalog. That's what it shows here. So the roles hosted by the domain controller required for Active Directory domain services functionality. If you proceed, as some Active Directory services operation can be impacted. Just proceed with the removal. Just give next. So once this is demoted, and you need to log in with the server with a new credential. So that admin password we need to provide here. Let me, okay. So give next. So here you can see remove Active Directory domain services from this computer without updating forest metadata. So which we are going to do that manually. Okay. So just give demote. So it has started the removal process. So you can see the progress what it is doing. The registry key deletions is happening on the backend. This registry key. So this might take some time to complete. Let's wait for the session to complete. Okay, now you see successfully demoted the Active Directory domain controller. So this is done. So the computer is being restarted. Domain service was installed or removed. Okay, it's getting restarted. So now we log in with that. So here you see the domain controller now is no more active. So it's moved to an old group. So, still now it shows promote the server to a domain controller. So still once we remote the server, we need to remove the roles and features. So this is a 0 2. We need to remove the Active Directory services as well. The DNS. So removal has been started on this server. So the restart is pending. We need to restart this one. Let's restart the server. So now we can see here this server is completely removed and demoted. So even the features has been roles has been ADDS roles and the DNS role also has been removed from the server. So this is completely out of the domain as well. Now let's go to DC1. So here we can see the DC1 and this is 0 DC02. So this DC we need to, this is the metadata cleanup which I said earlier. So this needs to be cleaned up manually from DC1. So before selecting the server correct computer object, just check once or twice to select the correct computer object. Delete this one. I sure wanted to delete the computer name. Yes. So now here you will be asking for you are attempting to delete a domain controller without running the remove wizard. So this we have done already. You should run the remove roles features in the server manager of RPA which we have done earlier. Okay, now delete this domain controller anyway. It's permanently offline and can no longer be removed using the remove wizard. Okay, so just give delete. That's ask for the prompt for the deletion. Just give yes. So this is done from Active Directory users and computers. Now go to Active Directory sites and services. I click the okay. Okay, so here websites where India VC servers. So VC servers are DC1, DC0W02, and this is child domain. So now we need to delete this one. So let's see here. So you can see here, now we can able to understand. So it is WDC02. This is no longer a domain or the global catalog. So this can be removed. Just right click and give delete. Give yes. So now this is fine. So the metadata cleanup has been done successfully. That's all viewers today. So we have today we have seen how to remove or decommission the additional domain controller. Thanks for watching viewers. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.